Did you know that your morning routine can make or break your weight loss journey? If you start your day the right way, you can boost metabolism, burn fat, and stay energized all day long. But if you're making the wrong choices, you might be slowing down your progress without even realizing it. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best morning habits that can naturally speed up weight loss. Let's dive in. Number 1. Hydrate first thing in the morning. Before you grab your coffee or breakfast, drink a big glass of water. When you wake up, your body is dehydrated from hours of sleep, and drinking water first thing in the morning helps kickstart digestion, flush out toxins, and boost metabolism. Pro tip: add lemon to your water for an extra detoxifying effect and improved digestion. Science behind it: studies show that drinking water can increase metabolism by up to 30% for about an hour after drinking it. Number 2. Get moving. Do light exercise or stretching. Before you jump into a busy day, get your body moving. Morning exercise helps wake you up, reduces stress, and burns more calories throughout the day. You don't need a long workout, just 10 to 15 minutes of stretching, walking, or light cardio can do wonders. Pro tip: if you can, step outside for some fresh air and natural sunlight. It helps regulate your circadian rhythm and improves mood. Number 3. Eat a protein-packed breakfast. What you eat in the morning sets the tone for your energy levels and hunger throughout the day. A high-protein breakfast keeps you full longer, prevents cravings, and supports muscle growth. Best protein sources for breakfast: eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, protein smoothies. Science behind it: protein boosts metabolism by increasing the thermic effect of food, meaning your body burns more calories digesting protein than carbs or fats. Number 4. Get sunlight exposure. Sunlight in the morning isn't just great for waking you up. It also helps regulate your body's internal clock, improve sleep quality, and may even aid in weight loss. Science behind it: exposure to natural light within the first hour of waking up helps balance melatonin and cortisol levels, which impacts metabolism and hunger hormones. Pro tip: spend at least 10 to 15 minutes in natural light to feel more energized and boost your metabolism. Now number 5. Practice mindful eating. Rushing through meals or eating in a distracted state can lead to overeating. Mindful eating helps you listen to your hunger cues and feel satisfied with less food. How to eat mindfully. Eat without distractions. No phone, TV, or work. Chew your food slowly and enjoy the flavors. Stop eating when you feel 80% full instead of stuffed. Number 6. Drink green tea or coffee. If you love your morning caffeine fix, you'll be happy to know that coffee and green tea can actually help with weight loss. They contain caffeine and antioxidants that boost metabolism and enhance fat burning. Science behind it: studies show that caffeine can increase calorie burning by 3 to 11% and improve fat oxidation. Number 7. Avoid sugary breakfasts. Many people start their day with high-sugar breakfasts like cereals, pastries, or flavored coffees. But these can spike your blood sugar and lead to energy crashes and cravings later. Healthy breakfast alternatives: skip sugary cereals and opt for oatmeal with nuts and seeds. Skip flavored yogurts and choose plain Greek yogurt with berries. Skip pastries and try whole grain toast with avocado or eggs. Number 8. Plan your meals for the day. One of the biggest weight loss mistakes is waiting until you're starving to decide what to eat. Planning your meals ahead of time helps you stay on track and make healthier choices. Pro tip: spend 5 minutes in the morning deciding what you'll eat for the day so you don't rely on fast food or unhealthy snacks. Number 9. Reduce stress with morning meditation. Did you know that stress can make you gain weight? High cortisol levels from stress lead to increased fat storage, especially around the belly. Practicing meditation or deep breathing in the morning can help lower stress levels and improve weight loss. Simple morning stress relief techniques: deep breathing exercises, 5 to 10 minutes of meditation, gratitude journaling. And there you have it, 10 of the best morning habits to boost weight loss naturally. If you start your day with these simple changes, you'll feel more energized, burn more fat, and see results faster. Listen, I know how frustrating it can be to try everything, dieting, exercising, and still not seeing the results you deserve. But sometimes, your body just needs the right support. That's why I want to share something that can truly help, Midolin, a powerful supplement designed to boost metabolism and support natural fat loss. If you're ready to take your weight loss journey to the next level, check out the link in the description and give yourself the support you deserve. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more weight loss tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one.